Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. I'm Charlotte and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Discovery Sport 2 litre diesel Landmark in Carpathian Grey. This car's previously had one owner. It's next due for a service in February 2023 and has done 37,688 miles. As it's part of our approved use, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle and then I'll get inside and show you all the technology it has to offer. So you have Xenon headlamps with LED signature, giving the car a modern exterior. 19-inch 5-split spoke gloss dark grey finish alloys, giving the car a sportier look. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have enough space there for 3 passengers, including ISOFIX brackets, which is ideal for families, and a centre armrest for maximum comfort. You also have a powered tailgate, which is really helpful if you do have your hands full. As you can see, you've got enough space there for personal items, and you can also put the seats down if you do need extra room, along with 2 extra seats which can be pulled up using this strap and is great for bigger families. Continuing around the car, you also have a Carpathian Grey contrast roof, privacy glass, roof rails, keyless entry and fixed side steps. Going into the driver's side, you have electrically adjustable front seats, a leather steering wheel, perforated grained leather seats and a fixed panoramic roof, allowing a lot more light into the car and really brightening up your interior. So that's the end of your 360 tour. I'm now going to get inside the car and show you the technology. On your right you have a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Controls on your wheel including cruise control and a speed limiter, which is useful for long journeys and motorway driving. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must especially in winter. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. On the screen in front of you, you can view your driver assistance, trip, view and change your display, vehicle settings and vehicle information. In the middle you have a touchscreen with sat-nav and DAB radio, along with a rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier, especially if you're not used to the size of the car. Valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control, keeping things like your address safer. And eco data, which tells you how well the car's been driven, for example if you're braking too hard. Down here you have a 2-zone climate control, allowing both passengers in the front to set their own temperature, along with heated front seats, which are a luxury in winter. Various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving the car, making it suitable for all conditions. And finally some storage in your armrest along with different charging ports. Stepping back outside the car, thank you for watching this video on this lovely Discovery Sport 2 litre diesel Landmark in Carpathian Grey, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.